Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by plotting numbers 1 through 12 as anchor points for Elsa's head and facial landmarks. This gives you measurable positions for eyes, nose, and mouth. Once the numbers are placed, draw light guidelines and a 0. 5-unit grid to keep proportions even, especially across both sides of the face. Make sure to connect key anchors with gentle arcs for jawline, hairline, and neck scaffolding so you can trace accurate contours in the next steps. You now convert number anchors into features. Use anchors 2 through 4 to establish the eye line and mirror distances with a ruler so both eyes align. Then sculpt the nose from 5 to 6 using light strokes to build volume, and place the mouth centered between 7 and 8 with soft curves for her gentle expression. Next, block the hair mass using large shapes from anchors 9 to 12 and mark the braid path, because hair flow defines Elsa's silhouette and movement. You finish by erasing the numeric scaffolds and refining contours with varied line weight to suggest form and light. Add details like pupils, lashes, braid texture, and clothing folds to sell the character. Use small strokes for hair and slightly heavier lines for outline. If something looks off, don't panic. Compare elements to adjacent numeric anchors and shift features minutely to correct proportions. Finally, consider a light wash or soft shading to unify form and make Elsa read clearly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.